Mabani la Nagaland the canal automatically young habitigi moise chak thongba khotpa adedi chak pizza ba kamina pizza dog fitting kamina equally training kamina equally have singba moy ying madigi la ngarang digi moise ngarang pizza pitak to bose moy ngarang di haure ngarang di haure adubu ngasidi akhoi haubadegi loibuk chak thongba haubadina loibuk se moy chak thongba pizza ba pitak to ba mak che akhoi haurage na moy ngasidi thongba khotpa to bose moy noi to halani Mabani ji laifam adadi address karke moji maming karke introduce to halage aduga hello bro introduce
so my name is Memo and we came from Nagaland. So this Ranbir Sana Keno K9 first we saw is we saw a YouTube video of our brother Keno, and then my friend and me we planned to come and visit him, and so we called him up, and then he willingly accepted us, and so we are staying here. Last night we came, and then we slept over here, and now he's a kind person and also a very generous. Thank you, brother, for taking care of us.
Thank you.
Yes.
Brother, introduce your.
Hello, my name is Apay, and yeah, we are dog lovers. So we saw in YouTube our brother's channel, so we just came to visit him, and he's so kind that he accept us to visit his channel. Thank you.
Jadi moi bani je sa ko malo me ai na tani atu ko moi na man to halani atu ba jadi koi ready to ra ma ba te pa de ready to la ya to hala ya we're gonna taste ironba. Okay. This is Manipuri ironba. Famous. Okay.
Special dish.
Special in Manipur. So I'll taste you. Mix it with chili, no? First, and you put it. Okay. First. Mix it first. This. No, this one. Okay. Chak rồi đấy, nói cho khôi quý gà, ai cả khôi gà, dịch cũng là thùng mình nào này, đúng không? Dịch môi ra dịch chak thiệt là cái lấp chak mình này.
So this is alright. It is already cooked now. Yesterday we do it in a very clean and hygienic way. So.
Chắc chắn bảo rồi đấy, dịch có thở cái, happy rồi cái này, ôi na. Okay, iromba also. Yes, we are making iromba. I think first time.
Yes, first time. So we'll make a review of this. This tastes so good. So guys, now we'll start having our meal.